Hello, AMOCO family. I am Javian Jackson. Myself, as well as many others, are excited to share this day with you as we're celebrating International Credit Union Day. ICU Day has been celebrated on the third Thursday of October since 1948, and the ultimate goal is to raise awareness about the tremendous work that credit unions and other financial cooperatives are doing around the world. This also gives our credit union members the opportunity to become more engaged. So without further ado, I am thrilled to introduce you to a product that I absolutely love using on a daily basis, and it's called Credit IQ. Access to your score with convenience. In this workshop, I'll guide you on how to access your Credit IQ, discover its unique benefits, and give you advice on how to improve your credit score. Credit IQ is a free credit monitoring tool for AMOCO members. Benefits include access to daily credit score updates, credit reports, personalized offers based on your credit score, and financial articles to help you hit your credit score goals and more. Credit IQ is available in the online and also on mobile banking. Credit IQ also offers daily credit score updates, which includes a detailed examination of your credit rating, a credit score action plan, and a financial checkup. Your report includes a detailed summary listing your total in debt, collections, inquiries, and closed accounts. If you don't have the opportunity to visit a branch near you, you can even apply for loans online, set up personalized goals, and track your progress. Credit IQ recommendations. You will receive the top offers that AMOCO recommends, including the interest rate for your next auto loan purchase based on your current credit score. This also includes a loan calculator, which is super easy to use. All you have to do is select your current credit score and input the amount that you would like to borrow. This will give you all the convenience to apply for your next loan because you can expect what your monthly payments will be. You will also receive recommendations for a debt consolidation loan. So if you have multiple loans out there and you're paying high interest rates on those, this is a good opportunity to bring those loans into one bundle, pay a lower interest rate, and have the convenience of paying one financial institution. You will also receive recommendations for our Made For You mortgage program, home equity loans, and term share certificates, also known as CDs or certificate of deposits. Here are some ways to improve and maintain a healthy credit score. Number 1, pay your bills on time. Payment history accounts for approximately 35% of your credit score. So keep in mind, one late payment can drop your score by a few points. Number 2, pay down your credit card debt. Credit utilization is another major factor and accounts for 30% of your credit score. Credit experts recommend keeping your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a good credit score. So for example, if your credit limit is $5,000, you should try to keep your balance below $1,500. Exceeding that amount could actually decrease your credit score. Number 3, hang on to old cards. Old credit accounts indicate a longer history of responsible credit management. This accounts for 15% of your credit score. Number 4, be thoughtful about shopping for new credit. Applying for new loans may ding your score when lenders pull your credit, and when doing so, your score can drop anywhere from 1 to 5 points. Number 5, show a good credit mix. This shows your ability to manage different types of debt responsibly. A good credit mix includes a combination of both revolving credit, such as a credit card, and installment credit, which can be a car, home, or student loan. Now let's talk a little bit about our credit builder loan. A credit builder loan is a type of installment loan that helps people with a low credit score or no credit score build their credit. Members with limited and non-negative credit history are eligible. The benefits include you can borrow up to $1,000, terms up to 24 months, and the loan will be funded to a savings account and placed on hold to secure the payment. You will receive access to the funds once the loan is paid off. This will build a payment history and savings at the same time. We can also put forward our credit mender loan. Our credit mender loan is similar to the credit builder loan, except you will consider this product if you have a low credit score or a damaged credit score. Members with a negative credit history are eligible, and benefits include you can borrow up to $2,500, terms up to 36 months, and the loan will be funded to a savings account and placed on hold to secure the payment. You will have access to the funds once the loan is paid off. This will build a payment history and savings at the same time. All right, AMOCO family, that's a wrap. Visit our website for more perks on Credit IQ at www.amocofcu.org. Your financial future is in your hands, so go out there and make it count. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you at the top. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to contact me via email at jjackson@amocofcu.org or give me a phone call at 281-534-5560.